Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to host a game in Gamble with your friends. Let's begin by hitting the host game button. Then confirm you are the friend with the best computer and network connection. Next, simply select a save slot. Here you can either delete an old save and then confirm, or simply start a new game. This will take you to the lobby. In lobby, you will be able to change your look. Let's say I want to remove that mustache, so I will go to mustache and then reset it, as you can see. You can do so with every type of clothing. How do you get clothing? Let me show you. You get clothing from this store right here. Here you can simply pick up a simple piece of clothing and then simply carry it. Let's say I want this suit. I need to carry it here, drop it into this zone and then hit buy. Now this suit will be in my clothing. And this goes the same way for every type of accessory. There is one other shop which you can access. Here we can get buffs for your run. Let's say I want this because this increases the maximum amount I can bet on a machine. And this is a random item. This prevents one loss. And this gives me... I will get rid of this. This gives me a one free for all. This really nicely combos with this keypad increaser. Simply get all of those, buy them. As you can see, I have none left, but if I had more, I could hit reroll to reroll these items. After you are ready, you can go to the shark and get your challenge. They want me to place a bet of 300 or more. And after that you enter the limo and go to the casino. In the casino you simply enter here, hit either lobby or floor 1. Let's go to floor 1. From the sketchy guy, let's get our stuff. Let's see what we got on the random item. Oh, chance to earn a ticket on a win. That's nice. Let's see if we have a blackjack table, because I am that's the best strategy. Oh, no. Let's first go and grab a taser. Of course, I already showed you everything you need to know about how to set up a game, but this is a nice bonus of a strategy to getting a lot of cash. Now I can play for a free max. Right, let's hit and double? No. Ooh, that's tricky because 16 is one of the worst things you could get. I need to get a 5 or less. Let's stand. Why not? Let's not risk it. But we lost, unfortunately. If I had the angel statue, I could try, and it's 50-50 to get that money back. But let's but that completed my challenge, for example. Let's go with something like a 100. Hit 16 is right. That's nice. 20 is one off. So we should get the win. And it's honestly that simple. Do I want to? Yeah, I want to. Hey, nice. We got 21. Nice. Ah. Damn it. Nice. Let's go with bigger bet. Let's risk it more. I will stand with 18. Oh, that's unfortunate. 15. Let's hit. Well, I'm here, I guess. Ah, right. That's 12. That's 16. Oh, well, I have no more money. Well, that was fun. Anyway, I wanted to end this video so I can simply go and lose the game. I wasn't playing quite optimally, but whatever. This is in essence a luck game, so I don't care. Let's skip this because, yeah, I lost. Let's get into the hole and lose the game. But yeah, that's the gameplay loop of this game. If you get quota or higher, you get chance to try one more time, one more day. But if you don't, you lose. As any type of this, that type of play with friends game is quite a roguelike, something like Lethal Company, honestly. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe, comment, and like the video. Bye bye.